Hello, good afternoon. My name is Emeline Tababan from Philippines, a 42 years old housewife. My first experience as a domestic helper is in Lebanon. There I served the four people of the family. I worked there as a domestic helper for 4 years. My work there is to take care of the twins, and I also do the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking. My second experience is when I work in United Arab Emirates. There, I serve the five person of the family. I also took care of the 5 years old, 3 years old, and the newborn baby. I do also the household chores like cleaning, car washing, cooking, ironing, and my third experience also is still in UAE. There I served the four peoples of the family. There I took care of the 4 years old and a newborn baby. I also do the household chores like the ironing, cleaning, cooking, and washing. If you hire me, I will do my best and responsibilities as a domestic helper. Thank you and God bless you.